What is up, ladies and gents? Sorry for that accent, but what's up, ladies and gents? You guys are catching me on the way to make another, or okay, let's just say, to make another bad financial decision amongst the other two that I've already made. But they're both benefiting me either way. You guys are catching me on the way to make bad financial decision, and I'm bringing you guys with because I want to show you guys. Hopefully I can film there, and you guys will just have to wait to see what it is. Obviously by the thumbnail you're going to be able to tell, okay, it might just be that, but you're not going to expect it. Maybe, or I don't know, hopefully not. Either way, I'm almost there now. Kind of a bit late because the guy's going to be leaving soon. But yeah, anyway, I'm just going to catch you guys there now, and then yeah, I'll film wherever I can. And hopefully I get the things. Hey guys, so this is what I purchased. Finally got what I've actually been looking for a while, in some sorts. And I'm in Kasim's garage over here with nice cars and everything. He's got some nice rims. And I see you got a Golf here also. Is this the caddy? Oh no, this isn't the caddy, but also a very pretty Golf. Yo, it's a rabbit. I've seen some rabbits, but not as often as I normally do.
This used to be mine to Elscar. I owned it first, and then he took it over.
Okay, ladies and gents, I didn't film much. Okay, I didn't film much in Kasim's garage, but I didn't want to. I told him I didn't really want to invade his privacy too much, also, which I think he was fine with, but it's still, you know, it's natural to speak. But he's got a couple nice things inside there. He's got that nice Cobra. He's got a nice Golf in there. Let me just pull over to the side of the road. Not actually, but yeah. He's got a nice race set of rims. He's got a flippin' race set of seats also. And just, yeah, also I'm filming my steering because you can't actually see me at the moment. But yeah, I'll film the seats when I get back to the house. But he's such a chill guy. I'm really happy that went so well. And also at the same time, I might have an upcoming video for you guys, because that guy, Mr. Kasim, has a car that I'd love to show you guys, and I'd also love to see. I've never seen one in person before. I did not know there was one in South Africa, but I think he said it's the only one here, if I'm right, or I'm not sure. But either way, I'm going to show you guys that when the time comes. He's going to let me know about that. And nevertheless, guys, I am so excited for what's going to happen for the seats. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I got it. And I'm so happy I also got it for such a decent price too. I'm kind of kicking myself that I didn't offer a bit less, but either way, I'm freak happy about it. And yeah, I'll get you guys back at the house. Okay guys, so now that we are back in a more home comfortably setting that I'm more comfortable with filming in, it's time to show you in better light at what I've bought that I am so excited for. Okay, so here it is. Oh, you guys don't understand. So this is one of my dream cars, and now I'm gonna fit these seats into my baby. So yeah, this is what it looks like. There's a little bit of damage over here, a little bit of puffiness, but that's not too bad. I think I can just get this filled up, and then maybe this can just be stitched closed, which I actually have a place that I'm going to take it to, and then it should literally be in all its glory. That also can also be just puffed up. Like, I'll probably just get it a nice refresh. Oh crap, did I just break my charger? No, I'll just give it a nice refresh, and it should be looking perfect. Sorry about all that. Should be looking perfect again. But yeah, this is all its glory, guys. Oh, I haven't been this excited since I got my flippin' car. Either way, what was I gonna say now? Yeah, so I don't know if I mentioned in a previous video, I think it was maybe the last one, the one that you're gonna see before this one, or if it was the one before that, I don't know, that I might be selling the red car's leather interior, the 160i leather interior. Scrap that idea. I'm not selling it anymore, because now those are going into Lara, coupled with these seats, and these are gonna look so flippin' good, guys. But yeah, this is gonna be a short video. I'm gonna end the video. Wasn't much to show, but I just wanted to add this. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are just excited as I am. Leave a like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.